I'm using this weighted Texas rig with a wacky worm. I have a chartreuse tip on it to try and make it look like an injured bluegill. You got one? No. Net?
No.
Oh, it's a little smallie. Yeah, just flip them. I got one. It's a good largemouth, Dad. 3 pounds at least. Oh, that's a good first largemouth. There, give him me. Yeah. That is the best way to start the day. See you later, buddy. Braid is so easy to tell if you have a bite or not, and it sets the hook so much easier because your line doesn't friggin' stretch. Hook sets are dookie. Oh, my dad's got one. Squeaky? Need the net?
No, you spit out my arm.
Do you need the net?
Oh, I think I know.
Oh, good little largie. You're giving me and I'll show the camera. He's fat, eh? Look at the belly on that guy. Well, what I just said, they're feeding on bait fish. Okay, what is he? He is pretty fat though. Look at that belly. Okay, I'm showing off the fish that I don't catch. See you, Jimmy. Ooh. I don't know why I just shook my hands like that. Okay, well my rod just broke. Oh, there's a fish. Yes, finally. Smallmouth. Dad, get the net. It's a good one. Here comes.
Oh,
No!
you
Don't! I didn't. I brought him up and then he decided to jump and he came off. No! Damn it! Oh! That was a nice one too. It was like 2.5 pounder. At least we know that they're gonna eat this friggin' fish. Yes. Okay, here, let your line out. Just let your line out. I'll take him off. Okay.
the other side of him. Lamprey.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
It's a lamprey. What does that do?
Latches onto the fish and feeds on.
Yeah. I know what lamprey
That
is.
one bigger pickerel you caught this year had that on the side of it.
I know what lamprey is, but I didn't know what it did. Oh, my dad's got another one.
Ooh, this one.
Ooh.
Holy, no, I see him.
Oh, it's a good one, Dad. Oh, Dad, it's a good one. It's a largemouth. There we go. Well,
See, they're in deeper water.
yeah.
Cold water's getting cold.
You want to show the... Well, my dad's 2 and 1 to me. That's his. Okay, well, just dropped my phone.
Dad had it.
My dad's got another one! Oh my god. Oh!
That's salted water. There we go. I'm going to place it on.
Should I put the salted on? Go up and show my phone. Don't throw them. My dad's crushing them. We're going for a greenish, yellowish salted worm. That's another really good one. The last fish that I caught on this crankbait was that 5.5 pound smallmouth. Well, I casted it out, it got tangled, and it was spinning across the surface. And he took so many swipes at it, and I stopped it for about 5 seconds, and he just smashed it. Now it's a little crankbait. It's got a rattle in it. It's got a perch pattern and a bluegill mix. It's got the bluegill. It's got a pumpkin seed belly, and it's got perch pattern on it. Well, I'm gonna end the video here. It's wasn't the greatest because, well, it was really good, but my dad kind of caught all the fish on me. But maybe next time when the weather's a little bit nicer and the sun's out, that the fish will be eating more, because it's coming the end of the season where they try and bulk up and get really big for the winter. So we'll see you next video.